Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to set a dark mode schedule on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna tap on the settings applications, of course, and then in the settings page, go to this display option. If you want to schedule the dark theme or the dark mode here, you just have to tap on this option. And we'll see the schedule option at the bottom. Tap on it. You just have to choose on this pop-up. I'm gonna tap on this turns on at custom time. You just have to custom it first, set it first from the start time and then for the end time. Here, for example, for the dark theme or the dark mode, I'm gonna start it from 2300. I'm gonna tap on OK, and then for the end time, I'm gonna set it for 500, yeah guys. I'm gonna tap on OK. The dark mode will adjusting the time, yeah guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.